Hey, welcome to the Just Video Walls booth here at CEDIA 2025. I'm standing in front of a 217-inch micro LED system from Just Video Walls. We got some guys hanging out playing video games on it right now. But we got tons of sources coming in here. And what I want to talk to you about right now is what this represents for you as an integrator or a builder. This is a totally new way to sell a home or to get something spec'd in that sets you apart from everybody else in the industry. And this is an experience where, like, when somebody walks in, it's an immediate jaw drop. We have these in showrooms across America, and customers are buying these with no questions, just walking in, because it's easy to recognize what this is the minute you see it. Behind me on this wall here is multi-layering. So we've got multiple sources coming in on this wall. It's actually not a 16:9, it's a 2.13, and we can do up to 5 sources. Well, we can do way more than 5. I'm gonna switch this for you, Randy. We can do, right now on this wall, 5 sources. You can see how that layers in. There's a lot of companies out there that are just trying to hit a price point, and we were not okay with that because it's not the right experience for the end user. One more thing I want to show as we flip this camera around is the most impressive video wall ever seen in the outdoor space in this market. This is a 130-inch example. We can go way bigger. This is 4,500 nits, and you probably can't even see me right now. In fact, the camera is probably getting blown out a little bit because this wall is so bright. Now, I want to quickly introduce you to our mass market product, which is made in prepackaged SKUs, while Just Video Walls exists in the custom world and doing really cool, unique, fun things with the highest fidelity possible. We've scaled down all of the options and built them into a system that is prepackaged and ready to go with Lunar Walls. And what you're looking at here is a 20-foot wide pre-configured wall that's 5.5 feet tall and a 1.2 pitch at a price point of $100,000, which is really compelling in the market today. Again, like, we're coming up with solutions that are the right solutions for you and your environment, commercial and residential, on Lunar Walls.